Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Debu's Tech Guide. So in this video I will show you how you can make whiteboard at your home, and it will take just around 20 rupees. But if you want to purchase it from market, it will cost more than 300 rupees. To make a whiteboard you first need a pichboard box, whatever pichboard you have in your home. Then you need a transparent sheet and a white art paper or any type of chart paper that you have in your home. In this video I will show you the whiteboard, which is 1.5 by 1 feet in size. So I just measure the art paper that I have in my home. Then I just cut the pitchboard according to its size. So you can cut it if you have a more big I mean bigger transparent sheet, but in general the transparent sheet have maximum size like a A3 page. That means 1.5 feet. So now let's cut the pitchboard according to the size using a paper cutter. You don't find any difficulty to cut a pitchboard with this type of instrument if you have in your home. Okay, you can see here. Now I just attach the art paper in the pitchboard using a brush and a glue. You also can use cellotape, but I prefer to use a normal fevicol, and using a brush I will spread it all over the surface. Then I use the transparent sheet over the white paper and attach it with the help of a colorful cellotape, so that it looks very nice to my whiteboard. So similarly, wrap all the four sides, I mean all the four corners also, and I make two holes if I want to attach it with any hanger or any nails. Okay, so now let's try to write in this board. You can see here it give you very smooth writing, and if you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends. And another important thing that I also mention here, if it is erasable or not. So let's see if I can erase easily, like a professional whiteboard. So let's try. Yes, it is also erasable. So if you want to use it for your own purpose, I don't recommending for teaching purpose. You can use it easily. Okay, so that is the video how you can make a whiteboard at your home. Thank you.